I'll start to construct the bridge circuit, either transformer, and then for bridge we need 4 diode. Connect everything. Okay, and then for the diode we need to change to the ideal type, which is 4002. Okay, need to change for all the diode. Okay, I changed all the value of the diode, so now I need to connect all the components. One, connect the component. Okay, for the voltage, we need to change to sinusoidal, and the required amplitude is 2 and 50 frequency. Okay, and transformer, we are required to use 1. Okay, and then of course we need load in the circuit, so choose a resistor and a capacitor as a smoothing filter. As we know, as a voltage produce ripple voltage, so capacitor act as a smoothing filter to reduce the ripple voltage. We connect all. Okay, and for resistor value, I require to use my matrix number. So my matrix number N346, so 46 kilo ohm. And the first value capacitor, I require to use 47 mil. Okay. I put the ground here, another ground here, another ground here. Okay, and also, of course, we need voltage pin for the input, and also another voltage pin for the output. Okay, when all set, now we can run the transient analysis. One cycle is 20 milli. I need at least 5. So, okay. Oh, I didn't connect this one. Okay. Run back the transient analysis. Okay. We get something like this. This one for ratio 1. The input is 2, so the output also 2, and then through going to diode minus 1.4, got 0.6 like that. That's why the output is here, VF2 is here. And then I'll try to change ratio 1. What happens if I'm using bigger capacitor? Okay. Also have no change, like the value is almost the same, 0.6 also. Now we try to change the ratio 4. I mean, we maintain the capacitor value, but then we use 4 ratio. See, because the input is 2, so the output double by 4, 8, minus 1.4 because of the diode, it becomes 3.6. That's why it's here. Now we change to smaller capacitor using ratio 4. Try back 47 mil. So the same output, because it depends on the ratio. When the input is 2, the ratio 4, so means the amplitude of output double up by time multiple of 4, so at 8, minus by 1.4 because of the diode, so here 6.6. Okay, for question 2, I need to change the ratio to 2 and the capacitor to 1000 mu. 1000. The other remains the same. I mean the resistor value, all that voltage value. Okay, then I need to run the transfer analysis. Okay. Because of ratio 2, so the input 2, the output is 4, but then minus 1.4 somehow at 2.6. Okay, now for calculation, V peak is the V output. So V peak is 2, times by the ratio is 2, minus 1.4 because of today it got 2.6. That's why the output is here, 2.6. And then for VRMS, the formula is V peak over square root 2. So we calculate, we got 1.838. And for VDC, 2 times V peak over pi. So we calculate, got 1.655. And also for the ripple factor, this one is, the formula is here. And after you input the value, the output is 0.482 for ripple factor. I think that's all. Thank you.